Hello everyone, welcome to Indies Tech. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use OBS Studio to live presentation your PowerPoint slide. First of all, to download the OBS Studio, you go to Microsoft official store and just search OBS Studio. Once it's come, just install. I'm not going to get more detail regarding this. It is pretty straightforward. Now, I have already installed my OBS slide, OBS software. Here you can see the user interface of OBS Studio. So preview scene and program scene. Now you have source and controls. You can also maximize the screen like this just for better view. Now if you just click add source, then you go for display capture. You click create new. So make sure you click new, create new, then OK. You should have come up with this screen. So basically, in this mode, you will see whatever is on your display. If you just click it OK, then you need to update it. It's still in preview mode, so you have to slide this slider this way. This way, your recording view will be updated. Now then you click start recording. So the recording has started. So the first part of my recording, you will see this. Now I'm going to my presentation, to the PowerPoint. I will minimize this. So it is already recording. So if I just play my PowerPoint this time, then the usual step I will do, I will not go to detail. This is the PowerPoint I made quite a while ago. Maybe I will update it for the better view and with better information. So as you can see, I'm just clicking and my PowerPoint is updating. This is about electric car evolution since 1832 to the present days. So the first electric car, it was invented quite a while back actually. It was very early days of the motorized vehicle. So 1832, the first electric vehicle. Then 1899, another revolution happened with large emis contenti. Then it was really common in the market, 1910. Then Ford crashed EV market. Basically, Ford's monopoly in internal combustion engine basically was the downfall of the EV on that time. Then it has a resurgence in 2012. Then 2018, over 5 million global consumption. Now 2020 EV was the future. And in 2024, EV is the future, will be the future. Now, how EV works? This is the simple workflow of how EV works. So basically, the accelerator is connected with a potentiometer. The potentiometer is similar to a knob where you increase the volume in your olden days cassette player, things like that. So this is a potentiometer. If you turn the knob, it gets different resistance, and that resistance then decoded through the controller. Then 12-volt AC battery and charger is connected to the controller, and there is an array of batteries. Then the DC motor is powered by this charge. In this slide, I will describe the EV key components. It starts with electric motor, electric power to rotate the wheels. It can be DC-AC type. However, AC motors are more common, AC induction motor. Now inverter, it converts the electric current in the form of direct current DC into the alternating current. And The drivetrain, it has a single speed transmission which sends power from the motor to the wheel. Then you have got batteries and the charging. So basically, let's start from this side. So you charge the vehicle, then the charge is translated to the battery, then the battery comes to the inverter. Inverter converts the DC voltage to the AC voltage and drive the AC motor depending on the different module of the car. Then the AC motor then drive the drivetrain, which is basically, in simple terms, a bearing. Now, EV battery global production, 5-fold production increases in 3 years. And these are the current market projection since 2017 to 2020. Then this slide is about EV battery dynamics. And the future of EV is it runs really quiet with no emission, lithium-ion battery price fall and enhanced efficiency. 90% of domestic trip is below 100 miles. Low center of mass. It is really light because of there are less moving part, so less amount of gear and things like that, resulting better handling, cheaper to run than any other alternatives, flexibility of charging at home, less maintenance with fewer moving parts. It paves the way for autonomous car. The challenges of EVs are car prices. Batteries are still quite expensive. The current technology, the most common one is lithium ion, but the sodium ion will be cheaper, I heard. Then the range is still limited, though most of the common EV nowadays has crossed 300 miles range. Recharge time is still a problem. There is a quick charging option which can be quick charged in 30 minutes, 80%. That will give you 250 miles average range. Charging infrastructure is the biggest challenge for EVs. There are very less amount of charging infrastructure, and there are different modules for compatibility is the issue here. There are different modules of charging infrastructure which only works with particular kind of EV, not with others. And also it breaks a lot. It's like there's apps, you can find the charging infrastructure, then you arrive, but that is already broken and the app has not been updated. And also EVs are not completely zero carbon. The conclusion is that EV is the future. There are challenges to make it mainstream. Challenges need to be overcome. It can be done with members of public, private investors, and government cooperation. Thank you for attending. So basically that was it about the using the OBS to record. So as you can see, I'm coming back to my OBS screen. It is still recording. As soon as I press the stop recording button, it will save the video to a folder. Most commonly, it is saved in your video folder. So if I go to my video folder, as you can see, it has already been saved here. This is the video folder. So if I click it, the video will play. As you can see, this was the initial stage of our recording. Just for an update here, so when you add the audio source, for instance here, audio input capture, make sure you always select create new and then press OK. I'm choosing my Microsoft Array, which is the default device anyway, but just to make sure. So once you have done it, but it will not work in this stage because you have not updated your program scene. This is the program scene. It needs to be updated once you add any input here. So you need to update it. Once you are updated, then you do start recording and I'm just going to record this screen and just say hello, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I just do that, then stop recording, going to my new video. So this is the video I have recorded just now. Let's see if it is working. Start recording, and I'm just going to record this screen and just say hello, 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 hello. Here you can see the recording is actually working. Hopefully this video will be intuitive for you, making presentation. I will see you at next time. Thank you very much.